Okay, welcome people. Hopefully you're doing alright. Are we live? Say hi if you can hear me. Okay, let's take this off. Not this one. Okay. Let's take this off. Up. Yes. So say hi if you can hear me. What's up everyone? Hi brother, welcome. You are the first one here. That's good. You asked me about EXLA, yeah? Yeah, doing good. So first off, let's go to EXLA and see what's going on. The short interest for EXLA doing okay. It's 5%, is negative 5%, so EXLA is doing kind of okay, and we're still charging, guys. It's still charging and above our line here and above our support, the $2.48. Welcome. Belkini is here. Who's else? Hatem, Aisha, Shadi, Ozzy, all the hunters is here. That's good. Let's kick things out, guys. Let's kick things out with AMC. Let's see the short interest for AMC. And wait a second. Yes, let's go right to this one and see what's happening. Yes, it's good. You see, like for AMC, the short interest is really good, like below even the negative. So if we go here and look for AMC, what's going on? It's a bit like dropping from our ascending line. So this is a bit worrying sign for AMC, guys. Look with me, it went down from our ascending line, but it finds support around the 36.42. So this is the last support if we want to hold, if we don't want to go back to do double bottom around the 30. Yes, Shady, yes. And again, guys, who actually took the trade that we did pre-market about Tesla, guys? Tesla expected our level perfectly. The perfect swing trade for Tesla. Look with me, guys. If you are on Patreon, you took this perfect trade. It was perfect. Belkini actually took it. He's the one who actually ordered this stock to be reviewed. Look with me, guys. This one trade, buy here, sell here, then boom, buy here, sell here. Perfect swing trade between the 632, the support, and 694. Perfect swing trade, guys, for you. Hopefully you took the trade and you capitalize on this perfect spot. Yes. Shawanas, yes, sexy, thank you. Hatem, about LKCO, never be angry about you didn't like sell or you didn't see my video that I did around the $2.14. Always never kick yourself out. Just learn from your mistake, and the next time you can actually pull the trigger and sell. I know a lot of people can't sell when they buy something, they can't sell. It's really hard, you know. So this is a good lesson for you. And let's see what's going on with LKCO again. For LKCO, yeah, is $1.43 and still like hammered and we never actually go above our exponential average, as I said in the Patreon, guys. And pom pom. Yes, Tesla was holding the level. Okay. No problem, Belkini. Yes, good question. For Tesla is been holding right now. Let's see. Okay, for Tesla, look with me closely. We need to hold this level in order this time to break the 694. Okay, this level we need to hold around the 660. Okay, this is really important, guys. Really important level to hold in order to see this time the price go to above the 600, and we go charging around the 781. Really important, and this is good. This time we didn't see a bit of rejection. So today, if we close above this level, above our ascending line here, will be really good. Okay, this ascending line, if we hold above it by today, by Monday, we're gonna see explosion, guys. It's really important for Tesla. And let's see what's going on with Tesla for the short interest for it. Okay, for Tesla right now, okay, there's a bit of selling pressure and short interest increasing 11.11, so it's about this 10. The normal for the short interest, it should be around the 10. This one is negative, so it's good. Yeah, it was a bit, I thought like it's 11 in positive, but it's negative, so it's good. It's really bullish. No problem, Hatem. Okay, I will update for Marine. For LKCO, okay, Rohit, some more. Should we buy the dip and price is $2 to average down, or what should be the strategy? Okay, Rohit, LKCO is been hammered right now. The price is still like the volume is really dropping for LKCO, so I don't suggest to do anything right now. You see, if you want to average down or buy, if we have a closing candle here above this exponential average, as I show you in Patreon, Rohit, I told you if we have a closing candle here, yes, but we got rejected, as I said, around the $1.66. Now we dropping $1.53. So by today or tomorrow, if we visit again, we do triple bottom, and this is will trigger the short interest, and we go here. So why you buy around this level if you could buy around the $1.12? Okay, so be patient, don't buy around this triangle. I told you guys, this triangle is really not good to trade because the momentum is really small. It's not good to make money here. Okay, we capitalize on big jumps. Okay. Shawana, what you mean about come here? Yo, Goku in the house. How are you doing, brother? Yes, I'm alive. Jesus is alive. Okay, I will do a video about SNDL, AMC on earning. What you think will happen? Yes. Okay, Goku, we'll go to your question. Okay, Marine, we already did the video today, guys. Just dropped the video 1 hour ago. Yes, EXLA has been holding our support. So this is kind of a charging point, guys. Any price hold above is good. The volume is picking up for EXLA right now. I can see the volume is picking up. So be careful. The price is actually waiting to explode really soon, because the volume, I can see it right now, and the volume is actually picking up, and at the same time we holding our support. So we holding the $2.61. This is good. Look with me what's going on with EXLA. We doing uptrend right now. Higher lows, guys. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Perfect squeeze here, you see? Perfect squeeze for this triangle. So don't move. The price, as I said, the price, if you go here, get out. But always let the strategy to come true, you know. Let the strategy come to play. If you want to force the trade, you want to close here because the price not moving, and you want the price to jump really high like this. Come on, this is not trading. Trading is buying right now, not buying when the price actually jumped. Buy before the price is jumping. So now is accumulation phase. Okay, any price just go below here, this triangle that we doing. This means the price is jump, like the short seller is incoming, and the price will go down around, as I said, the $2.09. But now we still holding. Why you get out, Roy? Why you get out? So now is actually the turning point. So be ready for the explosion or around the $3.10 again. And any price go close here, we're gonna see a price test for this level. So I think we're gonna have this price movement by Monday. Okay, this is what this kind of scenario will happen Monday, because the last hour always like we see a bit of dropping in volume. And okay, we'll update about Goku. He asked about AMC. We did it already. Oh yeah, SNDL, guys. Yeah, SNDL and Marine. SNDL and Marine, we gonna cover it right now front of you guys, so we can look closely what happened. So first SNDL, then Marine. We already covered Marine, guys, in the last video. You can actually watch the video after the live, but we gonna go through it again. Let's go to Marine very quick. Okay, look with me, guys. For Marine, look with me what's going on. As said in the last video, here the resistance that we actually should close by today will be really good. Above the $8.69, this will be a good way of indication of like bull market, and this will be our last support, because we predicted that the price will go 531. We bought back around the 6. So this is that will trigger the buying pressure. The volume is actually picking up. This is good. And now what we want to see, as I said, Marine, the turning point for Marine is 11.90. Here, closing candle, I make you sure, guys, we're gonna see that 18.60 if we close above this level. This will be a change in the trend. Until now, we still doing higher lows, even though we did like, I don't know, like 32%, yes, but we still in downtrending, guys. And look with me what's going on here. Yes, we doing higher lows still, so not clear yet. Not clear yet. And now we testing the resistance around the $8.69. So today we need the closing candle above. We just testing it, guys. We still testing this level, okay? So if we hold above the $7.34, even by the Monday, we to overcome this resistance will be good, okay? We don't want to hold below the $7 and $7.50, okay? Any price close below the $7.50 is warning sign. This would be a fake out. Any price hold up, perfect. Any price close above the $8.67, even perfect. Will be like a good sign, or the second good sign. The first good sign is 11.90. For sandal, okay, for sandal we still have this rejection. As I said, guys, we're gonna see a bit of downtrend here, as I told you, around the 0.92. We got rejected below it at 0.88. And again, any price hold this ascending line is still good and picking up in the momentum. So this will be, as I said, bomb before we go to the $1. So patience. Hold above the 0.77. And the second thing, hold above this ascending line will be perfect. Perfect. Even if we dropped by today, we're gonna see a consolidation before we're gonna see the $1. Even though we're dropping, we don't want to go below this ascending line to show us that the momentum, bullish momentum, is still in the house. Let's see what's going on with sandal here. Yes. Okay, any news happening right now for sandal? No. Okay, let's see what's going on with you guys. Okay, marine, we cover marine, sandal. Yeah, for AMC, as I said, wait a second, let's go here first. For AMC, investing, okay, today, 8th of July. We have here meme stock, fuel, IBOs, uncertainty. What else? We have 8th of July. Robinhood says US. Okay. Okay. At 27th of July, we have like a showing unusual options activity. We know that AMC have like a dark pool investor actually investing inside dark pools. And that's what triggered a lot of question by investors lately with apes. They're angry because there's a lot of investors actually using dark pools to trade AMC, you know? So that's why the price been dropping, and without even knowing reason. And even you can see it in the volume, and you can see the transaction until the investor actually buy or sold. That's why the dark pool actually used to never actually trigger the price movement until the trade been done. So yeah, there's a lot of things going on with AMC. And for the price, regarding the price, guys, I can look here. As I said, guys, the price is dropping right now, even before the earning. So the earning could be, look with me here, the earning will be around the 4th of August. Okay, so we have like the next week. So if we dropped at Monday I think will be the 1st or the 2nd of August. So the second day or the third day, maybe the earning will save us a bit to hold us above here around the 32 or the 31, and we bounce after the earning if the earning is good. Okay, if the earning even bad, this will take us around the 25 and to trigger the short selling even more if we don't hold above the 36.42, guys. This is really important because now we we don't hold the ascending line right now. Look with me closely. We break the support from the ascending line. I told you guys we need to bounce from it. Yes, buy low, sell high. The problem is your emotion. If you actually buy low with 1 million shares, okay, and the price drop, even you buy low, because we never know the bottom, okay? So if you buy, let's say 1 million shares of any stock, 1 million shares, not one share, okay? So to trigger the emotion part of you. So 1 million shares, and the stock it dropped, let's say 5%, because you thought like you bought the dip. And guess what? 5% of 1 million shares is a lot. So what's gonna happen when you buy the dip? You think nobody can predict the dip, and even 5%, 10% will trigger your emotion, and that will let you close the trade because you can't control your emotion. So saying buy the low and sell high is easy said than done. If you actually put all your money that you invested in years, come on, it's not easy to say, okay? Just put it in an action. Don't say it. Word is easy, okay? Word is easy. Buy low, sell high is easy. But if you would play it with your money, with the hard working money, we know how to things will actually eventually work, you know? Bronze, my first live event with you, man. Glad that you here. About MMT, if you can see as well. Okay, we'll go through MMT in a bit. Wow, yeah, glove. It's been a while last time we covered glove. Yeah, we're gonna go through it as well. Okay, we have a new stock from double A01, LEXX. Hello, Luis, Tamba. How you doing, man? Of course, EXLA AMV coming right up. One of our hunters, elite hunters. Luis, one of the elite hunters. Okay, let's go with first Luis. He asked about EXLA and IMV. For EXLA and IMV, let's start with EXLA. We already covered Luis, but we just go through it again. As I said, we actually right now in this triangle, guys, as I said, this is really tight. The good thing is we doing higher lows and we get lower highs, and the price is squeezed around the resistance exactly. Now is the support around the $2.60, and the volume is picking up, is good. Around the zero perfectly, so any price close here will trigger the volume will spike and the price will spike again around the $3.10, and this time we're gonna see a bit of rejection here, guys, around the $2.86 before the $3.10. So if we got rejected here, would be a big sign of weakness, okay, because this will trigger because now here we did the double top, okay. We don't want to see the price get rejected here. This will be a big sign of weakness. But what I predict, if the price jump here after this consolidation, this is a really good sign that the price actually picking up momentum to go up. if we just close above here. And for IMV, again, right, Luis, exactly as we predicted. I told you that we gonna hold above this level. Perfect hold up. Perfect. This is the same scenario that will happen to EXLA, hopefully, if we hold this conjunction area. Right now, the last hour, we see a bump in the price for IMV right now, and the price was just testing the $1.68 precisely, and the price now seeing a momentum. Hopefully, we close around the $1.85. This will be perfect for IMV, guys. $1.85, just $1.85. Okay, this will be good. And by Monday we're gonna test the gap here around the $1.90 before the $2. Okay, and the explosion happened here. If we close above the $2, boom, we're gonna see a test again above. Maybe even we're gonna see a test again around the $2.50. And the best scenario is if we have a really good explosion and we go to $3.53. This would be the perfect price to take a profit. I don't know, Shad, why the hate and why you calling names. I don't know. So, like, guys, when someone actually like this and have some kind of like hate and anger, it's show me that he's emotional trader, you know. And Shad, sorry for your loss if you lost some money. And this is show us that trading with emotion. You always, a new trader, try to blame others. So Shad, this is one of like examples of the emotional traders. When emotional traders lose or try to blame others. And this is really bad, even in your real life. If you want to have a problem, like you crash your car and you blame like the police or the light, come on, you blame like all the society or the things that actually not working. Just make your common sense is mean you are the problem, not the system. Okay, so just have a question for yourself: what did something wrong? And ask yourself, not me. Just blame yourself in order to move on and grow. Okay. So guys, what we have here, yeah, glove. Let's go to glove. Glove. So for glove, guys, a glove as well is actually accumulating for the price right now, and we have a massive rejection around the $9. The $9, guys, this is, as again, I told you, the $9.07 support now the resistance after we got this massive rejection. And now we have a bit of hold up here around the $8.44 and we got rejected. So the price is now is a midway for glove, even though we have a bit of volume change for glove, okay? So the volume is actually respecting the level and going up. However, if we don't just hold this level, really important here around the 8. If we close by the 7, we're gonna see the 717, and 717 will be a really nice price to average down for glove. Okay, so now is the midway. We have the chance that we go to change the momentum around the 9. So again, for glove, if you want to swing trade, and the safer way to trade it is around the $9.04. If we close, will be really good to change the momentum and go above. Now we do our higher lows here. So we still not uptrending, we still downtrending. And let's see what's going on here. Okay. This is the last news that we have with Clover Health. So they have an earning release which is expected to be at August 11. And again, what else we have? And they said is actually ranging from strong buy to 5 strong sell, and they ranked the 232 right now, and the bottom 90% of all the 250 plus industry, and 1,500% growth. One of the 2021 most exciting investment opportunity. Yeah, they have they did 1,500%, but they lost it already because everybody knows that in February everything's went down. No problem, Greg. No problem. It's better. Like if you're late, it's better that you show up. That's the most important thing. We already cover LKCO, Craig. You can actually go back and check it out. We still have another question from the other guys. Craig, $1.45, $1.50 target for today or for the next week? Because this is a small target, I think. I think we already covered it. No, NEO didn't cover it yet. Yeah, FLGC to the moon next week. I think, I don't know, like, I will check it out. Yes, it's really interesting. FLGC is really interesting. Thank you for bringing this up, Luis. Okay, FLGC. Oh yes, okay, Luis. As I said, Luis, I told you FL or Flora growth. I told you guys whenever we exploded from the $5.85 and the price was bumping until the 10. I told you, I warned you guys, and even warned you, Luis. They never buy around the 10. Okay, and I said it's really risky. And I expected the price actually will go down, and that's why I told you guys to hunt around the 6. So now the price is around the $7.55 and it's bumping. And guess what? We're still holding this exponential average. This is perfect play, guys. This is perfect for Flora, okay? This is the sell-off that happened. Now the people, the smart people, the smart money actually buying right now. And we holding above the exponential average, and we bounce from the support above the 6. As I said, Luis, this is a perfect play. And this is really good for Flora to hold, and really healthy to see like a sell-off, but hold up above the support. Okay, 8801 said LEXX. Okay, let's go to see this one, guys. Okay, first of all, the moment that I check this out, the volume is really low. Like, I don't know about this one is really low. The volume, I think around wait a second, I can't see. Yeah, the average volume is around the 6 million. Yeah, the volume is 1070. Just by today or the last week, the volume actually pick up, you know, after this momentum up, you know, but usually is around below the 500K. That's why the volume is not good. I will actually check it out here to make sure about the volume. Okay, for this one, they have at least 246K of shares, and okay, the volume is 3 million daily, the average, yeah, 3 million. And what we have here, yeah, is the short interest is really still good. Wait a second, let's go right to it again. Okay, for this one we have the resistance or the always rejection area around the 8. Right now we got back around the support around this level, so the price actually going back around the $5.61 for this one. Okay, and this is, I would believe, around this level would be a really good price. But anyway, after any jump down like this, it's back to hold at least for price to go back at least I don't know, like 2 months, 3 months. So if you bought right now, you have to hold. This is like for long run, and expect for catalyst or good news to sell around the $8.92. You see, guys, like every stock have a different game. Okay. The Dream asked about the Snap. Okay, Snap. What else, Luis? What else? Most of the traders are ultra short term. Yes, exactly, like you said. Bump and dump and swing. Okay, MDOG, can you check NEGG? Okay, we're gonna go through it. What else we have? Aaron, thought on Delta for, okay, being used to shut down the economy. It might have an on AMC and impact. This might have an impact on AMC. Okay, we're gonna go through this, of course. Okay, Luis, you're actually looking for taking position on FLGC. Okay. No problem, M-Dog. Yeah, M-Dog. Yes. Okay, let's go first for this one, guys. Because we got a lot of questions from you guys, so just take Snap first and look what's going on. For this one as well, we have a bit of volume. Yeah, the volume is really crazy for this one. And it's bar recording right now. We already covered this one before, I think, for the last streaming. I believe we covered this one before. And look with me, guys, this is really interesting for this one. We broke the support around the 0.0028, and guess what happened? We test the resistance before we went down. This is a big warning sign, and now we doing double. We doing lower highs, 3 lower highs. This is a big warning sign. We have a bit of support right now around the 0.0017. The price will gravitate around this support, guys, around the 0.0008. So be careful, because we have a clear indication of weakness after we test the 0.028. So the price will gravitate around this level if we never visited the 0.0028. And this is actually where it's going, because we've been dropping since a lot of time, guys. The turning point for this stock, if you want to get in, is above the 0.004T. If not, it will be really bad to get in. Here is good, because this will be a big volume change and price will spike again. Here the price will gravitate here. Here will you buy, because the price will have a bit of buying pressure. And yeah, naked. We're gonna cover naked W876. Your name is really long. Yeah, Snoop Star. We're gonna see Neo, because you asked this before. What else we have? Raj Ray. Hi, brother. ABML, new trader. Okay, ABML. We're gonna go through this ABML and Neo. Yeah, Neo is really interesting. Let's go to Neo first. And yes. Okay, for Neo, guys, we have our chance to change the momentum and explode around the 55, get exploded. And again, I told you, and the Patreon guys, our hunter, I told you guys, here the turning point, we need to bounce from this level. And guess what happened? We got rejected and bounced back down. That's why we gravitate down now. Now is downtrending, guys. Neo is downtrending, and we doing lower lows right now until the 38, now 44. So the good thing is we above the support, the 42. The bad thing, we still doing higher lows here, here, and here. So by Monday, if we don't visit the 49 and close above the 50, by Monday, okay? By Monday, if we never change the downtrending momentum right now, we're gonna see the 32 again. And 32 here, you have to load. This would be perfect price for Neo, okay? So now is the turning point. We are in the midway. We need to change the downtrend. We're still in downtrend. Changing uptrend and seeing the momentum and break up like the 55 if we close above the 49.48, guys. If we never go above, and this will be the top by this week around the 45, and we never close above the 45, guys, you see, this is really close. If we don't close above the 45 by the Monday, we're gonna see a rejection and go back. This will go for sure around the 32 really soon. And what else we have? Yeah, APML. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have this news for Neo today. In fact, a new ways of battery electric vehicle and blog in hybrid electric vehicle is gradually transformed. Yeah, of course. So this is kind of news, normal news. If we have something, government gift behind the globe shift toward electric vehicle. What else we have? Tesla drop Model 3 price in China. This is really good news actually for Tesla. That's why we see the price actually jump for Tesla, you know, because they drop Model 3 price. They drop it in China by over 2,000. This is crazy. Thank you, Luis. Thank you, Luis. You are amazing. You are amazing, Luis. You are. That's how we hunt, Luis. Are you ready for our meeting at Sunday? Don't forget, 9 p.m. No problem, the dream. Now, I didn't cover MMT, guy. I will cover it. No problem, Luis. Happy to see you here. Okay. Hopefully we have some good news for ABML. Let's go through it right now. ABML, American Battery Metal Corporation. So for ABML, we have the price is actually dropping after we have the rejection around the $2. Now around the $1.57. Okay, so the price for this one, I can see the price go gravitating back around the $1.13. This is a bit far, I know. However, we're gonna see a bit of hold up around the $1.46. And the second support will be the $1.13 because we have this reaction here, the big rejection here, and we never hold above the support. This is a trigger, a short selling. And let's go if we see a good news going on for it happening. So it might change the momentum for us. So American Battery here, we have the short interest for us. Okay. Okay, we have the news for 28. Yeah, this is 2 days ago. Yeah, we don't have a major news. So this is the United States Security and Exchange Commission form for Battery Metal Corporation. So as we can see here, the pursuant to Sections 13, the Security Exchange Act. Okay, date of the report, the date of earliest event reported on July 26th. Okay, what we have here. Okay, the position on duty, composition. Okay, here. Okay, what we have here, the less than 1 year, 0%. This is the consolidation, the bonus, the employee. Okay, company generate cumulative 10 million in revenue. They have a successful commission of battery bullet plan, 500. Okay, the bonus commission. They have at least revenue right now is coming up, so it's good. However, you see, guys, even if there's a good news for the company, we see a bit of sell-off. So usually the fundamental not relate for the technical. That's why I told you guys always rely on the technical first. And yeah, we'll go to MAT shortly, guys, because Martin Apollo. Okay, MAT CEO released the news too late. They just released a laser reflection glass for law enforcement. Aha. So let's check it out what's going on to AMT. Yeah. April in the house. How are you doing, April? Okay, AMT. So about the good news, yeah, it's a bit late. That's why we see a bit of buying pressure happening right now. Look with me for, yeah, we have a bit of buying pressure right now happening. And hopefully this will be we have a momentum happening by Monday. And this will be good if we form this again kind of squeeze happening around the resistance. So now it's still not clear yet for this move, because we might get rejected even lower here around the $3.58. So be careful for this one. Even with the good news, we might get rejected by Monday and go to $2.61, because we already dropped from this support the $3.55, and we do draw lower highs. This is still not clear yet for AMT. So we're gonna see this play through if we hold this ascending line and we break this support in order to test again around the $4, or yeah, around the $4. This time will be, this is the massive resistance to test for AMT. $4.05 this time. If we explode it, we're gonna see a test and rejection here. No problem, Raj Ray. No problem. Happy to help. April, at France right now is almost 10 p.m. Yeah, Martin Apollo, yes. Yeah, you're correct. It's still heavily shorted, even though the volume is picking up right now. I can see the volume is picking up in the shorter view. However, I told you guys we're gonna see a rejection around this exponential average, and that's what we did. Again, this line I told you here, this is really important to test. So now we have this kind of really squeezed triangle right now. You see, this is really important, and we're gonna see a test for Monday for this triangle. Really important triangle right now for MMT if we want to explode from this one. And yeah, still for AMT still heavily shorted right now. Hopefully we change this momentum actually to have a bit of breathe, because it's been shorting like 3 months right now or so. Okay, what we have here. Okay, what we have here, wait a second. Yeah, we didn't cover naked yet. We're gonna cover naked, and what else? Yeah, DTSS. What's up, brother? What's up? What's up, Aaron? Let's see, DTSS. Okay, what's going on with this one? Okay, this one is really interesting, guys. This is a game plan for this kind of stocks. The technology services stock is always acting like this. It's always acting like this. Look with me what's going on with this one. First of all, let's check the volume for this one. The volume for this one is around the 1 million. So it's good, yeah. So for this one, always have a bit of support, or here always gravitating around the $2, okay? So now is a good price to average down or buy, and almost every time we have a news kind of thing. So this kind of stocks is actually dependent on the news before we have this spike and sell off. So always be cautious. Whenever we have a spike here, here, we have a time of rest or charging up here and here, okay? So now the charging up point will be for this one here. So here will be a good price to buy at, but just be careful, because usually when we go visit this area, usually we have like, I don't know, like we have 200 days, and here we have at least almost 200 days or more, you know. So this will be if you buy here, you have to wait a lot. So don't buy until you see a volume change on picking up before you get in this kind of trade. So a bit risky, and you have to have different strategy for this one. You can actually swing trade it in 1 week or 2 weeks. You need 1 month or to see your strategy come true. No problem, Martin. Yes, the dream. Huddle. April, you have different stocks. For PayPal, of course. For the other one, we never covered it before. You never told me in like in Patreon those one, because we never covered them. Okay, let's see first for pins. And okay, this is really interesting. This is really interesting because we have a big sell-off for this one. And yes, we have this news for this one. Wall Street decline with Amazon SVR on stock. Yeah, for monthly gain. For this one is not for us. For Wall Street, okay, decline. Amazon SVR, no. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, for this one, we have a bit of sell-off for this one. Almost how much? Yeah, 18%. Okay, for this one, really be cautious with this one, because we have a bit of support around this level. If we hold it, would be good, because we find a bit support like Amazon. When it dropped today, it have a bit of support when it dropped. Okay, so for this one, after this massive drop, just be careful, because if we don't hold this level, we might see another drop around this level, and here will be really the bottom that will be perfect to buy. Okay, so here I will be cautious, because here we gonna see this scenario. If this support is really good, we're gonna see a jump and a test for this gap around the 70 before we got rejected again. So this is the high as we can go after this drop, around the 70. If you bought here, just expect to take a profit around the 70, and just expect a stop loss really near, in order to just be careful from the 36 drop, because still speculating, and a big drop like this have a sentiment movement, and we might trigger another gap. Okay, and what else we have? Let's take PayPal. Okay. Okay, let's check PayPal. Wow, PayPal, as I said, guys, we have a triple top last time, and as I told you guys, the resistance around the $3.07. The last time we did the live streaming, and now we hold around our support that we drew last time around the 275, and yeah, we actually around the support here. So yeah, for this one, holding good here the support. So by Monday, if we hold around the 275 would be good. If not, we're gonna see the price drop until the $2.50. Okay, this will be the next support level for PayPal. If we don't hold this level by Monday, if we don't hold above the $2.70, we're gonna see the price dropping around the $2.50. So be extra careful for this one, and be ready to hunt. If the price go here, we're gonna see a massive buying pressure. Okay, what we have? Marine. We already did Marine, Arsham. Zoom, yeah, we're gonna cover Zoom really soon right now, after we go for April, because he asked about BTON. Okay, wait a second. Okay, let's go to 2 p.m. in Mexico. Wow. Wow, 2 p.m. Yeah, it's almost 8 hours different. And yeah, PTON. Yeah, April for this one. Yeah, we found a bit support around the $80. And yeah, for this one, kind of, let me see my volume count pop on. Yes, for this one we have volume drop, guys, so be careful from this one. By Monday, if we don't close above this level, the $1.25, this will take us back this support. Really shorting opportunity here. And what else we have? Yeah, zoom. Yeah, Virgin Galactic, we'll go through it. Yeah, it's really crazy, Raj. Yeah, really crazy about Zoom. Yeah, for Zoom, yeah, really crazy. We went down really hard from all-time high around almost the 2, right now below the $1, and we testing the resistant. Today we test, guys, yesterday I think, yeah, we test the resistance 2 days ago and we got rejected, so we might see the 0.50 really soon, because now we filling the gap, guys. We filling the gap around the 0.58, so there's a big chance we gonna see the 0.50 really soon by the next Monday. So you see the what's happening here. Here we have really test rejection, and now we exactly below the resistance right now, the support, the 0.64. So by Monday, if we get still rejection around this area, we're gonna see the 0.50 really sure, if we don't have the volume to close here. Okay, this is the last chance, because we have 2 tests. We might test by Monday to go at least above and have at least a test for the 0.69. Yeah, for Zoom is a bit hammered right now with the short sellers. We don't have any news for the volume right now is yeah, 30 million share right now, and the volume is around 3 million. What we have here, yeah, we have at the 15th of July, August, July, March, no, July, yeah, 15th of July, we have almost 83 million of shares been shorted for Zoom at the 15th July. Today is the 30th of July. So imagine, guys, 83 million. And the short percentage of free float is 8%. This is at the 15th of July. This is crazy. 83 million. Just in the mid of this month. Yeah, beginner trader, you're a bit late. Yes. Okay, about turning water to wine. This is kind of thing that I can't choose what the thing that I have power over, you know. So turning water to wine is one of my power, but I can't turn the stock from $1 to 5 because the stock is not living thing, you know, because it's not tangible. Water is a living thing. It's like I don't know, like it's a chemical reaction. I can actually change it, but for stock I can't change it because it have a lot different factors. It have a human being the factor of a human being and a lot of things. We can control it, you know, because there is a lot of factors. But for water to turn it to wine is just one factor. Turn water to wine. Hopefully that was an informative answer for you. Mm-hmm. 300. Good one. You know what, GZ? We can explain everything in real life. Everything is a sensation. Sometimes even science, we can explain things in science, you know? Just a try and an error. Even for a stock, it's try and an error. It's like probability. The more you narrow it down, the more you have a percentage to be right. And okay, for this one, we got a lot of question on Patreon, guys. Like I got a lot of loaded question and requests for stocks. So you see the list. This list is a lot of stocks has been requested. And we didn't cover GME actually. Yes, for GME we almost tested the support that we draw here around $1.50, and now we going back toward it. So you see we doing double bottom because we got rejected around the $1.90, and here we got rejected around the $1.60. So if we don't hold this little support, guys, we're gonna see the $1 here 40, as I said, around this level, because we broke this level, guys. The ascending line was really important for us. Let me clear this out and this out, because guys, the moment that you have a warning signs, if you have a wishful thinking, you close your eyes and you wish the price will go up. Look with me. Just think about this scenario, okay? If you bought here around the $1.80, okay? Or let's say if you're not lucky, you bought around this level, okay? Around the $1.19. Then the price starting to going down. And you trigger your wishful thinking because you want the price to go to 339 to take your profit. So when you have a wishful thinking and you see the price actually close below our ascending line around here, the 200, and even we see the $1.99, you don't close your trade. You know what you do? You just hold. And you hold. And you hold, and the price go down, down, down. Then the price go up, you be happy, and maybe you average down around this level, the $1.90, and you think the price will go to $1.19 at least. then the price go down again. So always cut your loss early, admit you're wrong, and just move on. And expect the price go to your other level to buy when the price will jump. So that's why I told you guys wishful thinking is not good. Yes, yes, yes. Any hunters here? Uncover yourself. If you're hunters, uncover yourself. Not this one. It's funny one. Closing my eyes, wishing for climbing courses. Climbing course. And buy BNGO for the earning. And what else? So, thank you, April. Thank you. Yeah, April, of course, one of the hunters, one of the early hunters. So double. We'll go to your question, April, in a bit. Let's see EVGO for this one for 001. Okay. Let's get this one. Yeah, we already covered this one. We talked about the support around the $10.88. We dropped from the resistance to $12.75. And for this one, like I said, for this one is, let me see. Yeah, for this one, expect the price actually exploding really soon because, yeah, we have the momentum actually changing right now. We're doing higher lows and the price is actually squeezing this triangle. The volume is good. So by Monday to confirm this scenario that we're doing right now, we need by Monday closing around the $12.75 in order to see the 14.37 by the next week. So this will be a good play. Actually, I will put it in my notification. Thank you for give us a heads up, the dream. So if we hold this ascending line, we're gonna see a test for the $2.75, then the 14.37. And again, April, for this one, as I said, for the volume, if you want to know the volume first, the indication is from the candle when we do higher lows like this one and you draw your trend line and the ascending line. You can actually see the volume picking up just from looking from the chart, from the candle forming. Okay, first we have this big spike and then accumulation, and we never visit the lower like price that we exploded from, and this is a good indication for the volume actually picking up. And again we getting closer to resistance, so if we got a rejection here, we're gonna see a price drop, but this time we doing higher lows again, and this is show us that the volume actually picking up because we doing higher lows. So we have unusual option activity insight about EVGO, share of EVGO. So some unusual option activity on Friday. Following the unusual option alert, the stock price moved down to 11.89. So yeah, there's some things happening and the sentiment still bearish because we still below the resistance here. However, we're still accumulating and trying to see a breakout for this level. So be careful as well because they still have a bearish sentiment and we have unusual option activity regarding EVGO. We already talked about killing EXLA. We already talked about it in the beginning of the video. No problem, 00A. Okay, Rita. Okay, we'll check this out right now. Thank you. Yes, Salimi. Thank you so much for your comment. Yes, a bit late. A lot of people late. I already did the notification, guys. I did the premiere for you, 9 p.m. Paris time. Hopefully you saw the premiere. Yes, we already covered LKCO in the beginning of the video. You can go back, Tasmin, for the beginning of the video, or watch the after the live is ended. You can actually watch the live and you can see LKCO in the beginning of the video. No problem, Kelly, no problem. Okay, Rita, DD and the dream ask about PRDL. We'll go through those. Yes, we have a really good spike before the market ended, and this is a good indication. Yeah, for this one we have a bit of good indication for interest and a really good volume picking up, really good for this one. However, we're still bearish for this one. So far still bearish because we still not going from this midway price around the $10.77. Really important level to hold and close by Monday. If not, we're gonna see another drop below the $7. So be careful from this one. If we want to see the $15 again, we need to overcome the $10.77. Okay, right, brother, what about shine and clean energy? Yes, we're gonna cover it right now, both of them, for our elite hunter for sure. Let's get right to it. You still have the position for shine or no? We have a bit of drop. This is really crazy what's happened here. We have this candle close below the support. So this is a bit worrying, okay? This is a bit worrying because this is the strongest support around the 51. We dropped today around the 50. Around the 50 and we bought back and we close above. So by the Monday we need to never close below because this will be a really big warning sign, because now I can see a big volume change for it after this massive drop that we did here. So be careful from this one, because if we by Monday close below here, we're gonna see the price here, okay? As I said, for shine, the 47 will be the perfect price to buy if we don't hold, because now we have a confirmation candle close below. This is just a warning sign. Today we close above. This is a good. By Monday, there's a big chance that we're gonna see the price if pre-market drop again around the technical area, the 50. If we did this in pre-market and open around the 50, that's mean at the during the week, like Tuesday or Wednesday, we're gonna visit the around this area, around the 48 or the 47. Okay, so be careful on this one. And the second one, Roy asked about clean energy. Yes, clean energy is still holding the support, even though we just testing the level below. And as I said, here will be the next support around the $6.29 if we never, because here we still doing really perfect scenario right now. We still doing higher lows right now, and by Monday we need to hold this scenario. We don't want to go below the $7.28 or 27. Any closing candle here, massive drop to until the $6.16 or the $6.36. If we just break this ascending line or the higher lows that we've been doing, we're gonna see a massive drop. If we go in the volume and see what's going on, yeah, the volume is going good. There's a massive buying pressure happening, and where's second? Yeah, there's a massive buying pressure happening. So this is will be a test by Monday around this level, guys. Really important. Around our exponential average by Monday, we're gonna test this really sooner rather than later, and the resistance will be a big jump. If we have a big jump here by Monday, we're gonna see a bit of resistance around this area, okay, the $2.40, $2.33. And if we get rejected, we need to hold above, okay? This will be a normal reaction. Don't be afraid from this reaction before the 9/11. We're gonna see a bit of rejection around this area, the $8.30. So this will be a perfect scenario if we hold this and we exploded until this area, okay? And any price, as I said, that $7.20 by Monday is mean we're gonna see the 6. No problem, Rita. Hopefully this was informative, Roy. Yeah, for AMC, don't like the one thing that AMC did, which is a bit bearish, if you want to ask me, because we broke the ascending line by today and we broke it, and now we still holding the support, the 3642. And this is good because we hold here, but the good scenario that I wish AMC respected as this triangle. You see this triangle, we've been, as I said, the moment if we broke it, we went down. Now we have another triangle here and we broke it again down here. So this is by Monday. By Monday, if we close around the 34, guys, here below the support here, this will be a warning sign, and we're gonna see the 25 even next week. Big drop will happen here if we don't hold above our support, the 3642. Okay, closing candle here precisely, we're gonna see the price drop until the 25 because we dropped from the ascending line that we did, and this triangle should be actually exploding here around the 47. As I said, guys, the 47 will be really bullish for AMC, but we drop below this triangle. We're still holding the support, but if we drop here, for sure we're gonna see the 25. This will be really interesting to watch by Monday. No problemo, it hopefully to be in surface. Like on the way in, bless the like button, guys. Don't forget to bless the like button. Yes, Kellen, 25 will be really good buy if we went there. We're gonna see a big buying pressure if we went there. Okay. Who's excited for Monday? Who's actually hunting at Monday? It's simple, Kellen. It's simple. For AMC, just 1 hour candle. If we saw a big wick around the 25, would be a good indication that we have a support and the price is actually validated. If we don't have any wick or buying pressure and accumulating around the 25, it means the support or the price that we visited is not validated, and is mean the price will gravitate even more down. That's why I'm talking, guys, always wait for the dust to settle. Don't try to buy the dip when the candle is still dipping, because whenever you see something dip, a lot of people think is the good price, and this is not good. It's like Black Friday, guys. It's like discount. You think it's discount, but it's not discount. It's just crossing the other price, like $5, and they make it $4, but the price is the same, and they trick you. So it's the same in stock market. If you see the price dropping, and you think you're actually buying a good price, is not. You have to wait and see the market if actually is the good price or not. And we can validate that with just looking to the candle. Yes, we gonna go to Wish. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, Kellen, there's another like you can actually trade the crypto, and there's like 24 hours. You can actually trade crypto 24 hours, but it's really volatile and really risky. So yeah, there's always options if you are getting a bit of like bored. But my idea, Kellen, always try to have day off to reflect about your trade, okay? Thank you, Kellen. Thank you, thank you. The Bitcoin is getting bigger, guys. Almost 60 hunters by now. 60 hunters. This is crazy in just 3 months, guys. Thank you for all the hunters actually joined the Patreon. Welcome and joined the hunter tribe. And yes, I will never forget the hunters that actually been in the first day after we actually go to 1,000 hunters in Patreon. I think we'll be sooner before the year end. And super duper cough. What about Wish? He asked about Wish. What's your average price? And when did you buy Wish? So we could actually have a more bigger picture. Yes, Kelling. Thank you. Thank you. You mean you have wrote like the book that I suggested about slow thinking and fast thinking? Because it was really eye-opening for me as well. Really perfect book. Because usually, like, people use fast thinking for everything. Fast thinking is good when you're actually in savannah and jungle, try to survive, you know. That's why we have a primitive brain always working on like slow fast thinking, because slow thinking, you can't survive in jungle if you use your slow thinking, you know. But we are living in civilization right now. We have to use slow thinking to actually think of something outside the box. Like in trading, you have to always use your slow thinking, never use your fast thinking. Okay, let's go to see. No. Let's see. Wish, yes. So for Wish, guys, thank you, Super Dufka. Thank you. Okay, for Wish. Okay. Hopefully you saw the video that I did lately around the 15. I told you guys, I warned you around the 1481. I told you, I said, guys, there's a massive sell-off here around the 15 or the 14 even. So for this one, we have double top, guys, perfect double top. And I told you around the $8.76. Last video that we did here, boom, boom, confirmation for our support. And I told you guys we're gonna see a bounce here, and we bounce perfectly. And we have double bottom, and whenever we have double bottom, we should see a buying pressure and test for resistance. And guess what? We have a test for the resistance. And guess what? Again, we close above the $9.88, around the $9.93. The after hours is $99.75. But however, the most important thing that we actually care about is our market open. So we have this kind of 3 candles or 4 candles above our resistance. This is really good, and again above this our exponential average. So by Monday, guys, by Monday we need to test this level as we saw, because this is will feel the gap around this area. This is a testing area around the $10 and $11. Just testing area, guys. Just test for the higher prices before we actually go to $14. So the $11 is just a testing area for the price if it go up. If we close around the 11, guys, we're gonna see the 14 really soon. So this is a good reaction that we had today, double bottom, and again we have the volume actually picking up. This is really nice, for which hopefully this will be the last test for us. If we just hold by Monday, if we hold and we open around the $9.93, will be perfect, guys. Will be perfect. If we just close here, we're gonna see a test for 11, close above. By the next week we might see visit at least before the 14, we do at least higher highs, and before we see a rejection around the 12.63. This is a really good scenario. Hopefully you got and bought around the $8.76 as we predicted. Even in pre-market we talked about, I think. No problem. Okay, your average is good actually. Did you bought the support that we actually talked about, like in the pre-market, and I think we talked about in the last video. Hopefully you saw the video and you capitalize and you average down around this level. Tasman, yeah, of course, I will make sure that this live stream will be on my channel, so you can actually watch it whatever you like. You can go back and check all the stock that we cover. So LKCO, OCGN we didn't cover, so I will do it right now. For LKCO, you could actually watch the video when the streaming is over. Yes, Tasmin, of course. A lot of people bought at 14. I don't know why you didn't see the video that I did. I told you guys there's a massive rejection around the 14. And as just said, guys, there's a massive rejection because we hitting the resistance. And any price closing around the 14.50 or 80, I told you guys we're going to see a massive explosion. Okay, let's see for Tasman. OCGN, LKCO, we can watch it after, because we already cover LKCO. So just see what's going on. And before we go to OCGN, we can, yeah. Okay, which saw some unusual option activity on Thursday as well, following the unusual option alert, moved up to $10. It's bullish right now, the sentiment. Okay, exceptionally large volume is one of the reasons for which option market activity can be considered unusual. The volume option activity refers to the number of contracts traded over a given time period. So the number of unsettled contracts that have been traded but not yet closed is called open interest. These contracts are not yet closed because the buyer has not purchased the contract or the seller has not sold it yet. So this is they talk about actually the short interest here change, and like about the short interest that what is mean is about people actually short the stock, but they never actually close their position, and this is called the short interest, and is actually shown here as a percentage. Okay, so there's a lot of volatility for Wish, and there's a lot of short interest been triggered, and that's why yesterday we saw the price jumped. So for OCGN, guys, for OCGN, we saw a bit of price drop right now, but however, we're still holding above the ascending line. Look with me. Again, we do a lot of the higher lows. You see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, for OCGN, we might visit the $5.18. If we don't hold this line, we're gonna see the $5.18, and we do double bottom. When we do double bottom, expect the price will jump again around the $6.15 again, at least if we visit the $5.18. So be ready for this opportunity, for this price, to hunt for this price, because we still doing higher lows. If we want to change the trend, at least we go above the 8, and we close above this time to go above. However, we still doing higher lows. We have the last support to hold us. If we not hold above the $6.22, we're gonna see the $5.18, and then you can expect a lot of volatility. Yes, we cover naked. No, I think we didn't cover naked yet. Glad to help, Super Duvo. Glad to help. Always happy to show you to buy cheaper prices. That's why I'm here. If you want a pre-market update, you can actually check our Patreon link here in the comment, and join the tribe if you want to hunt pre-market. Let me check if we did the naked. No, I think we didn't do naked yet. Yeah, for naked, there's a percentage that we're gonna, high probability, we might see a bit of, yeah, there's a good, the price actually jumping, the volume is jumping up really good. However, by Monday, because we got rejected right now around this level, the 0.55, if we don't go above or rejected around the 0.55 again, just get ready to hunt around the 0.47, and this is the strongest support that we hold. 1, 2, 3, and this time the 4th. If we don't hold this one, just expect, if we don't hold this one, the 0.47, the 34 will be the strongest support, and the lookout to be extra careful for, because here we're gonna see a massive buying pressure if we don't hold the 0.47. I'm just telling you the price for the next month. This is the next play for the next month, okay? And you watch the beginning for what? LKCO, you mean? About EXLA. Yes, so your question... So your question about EXLA is the beginning, okay, breakout level. That was our breakout level. But do we take profit there? Yes, take a profit around this level because we might get rejected, and wait for the price to confirm. If we close above it and you get in again, is more secure way, because now we're still in downtrend. We're not clear yet for EXLA. We're not clear yet from downtrend. We expect the price to jump really soon, because now we hold still the support around this area. Look with me. We're still holding the support, so this is good. And we expect the price to explode at least around the $2.87 this time. So I'm just telling you, because we might even go to $3.10, but now we have double bottom, and this is a sign of weakness a bit. Here will be like doing higher lows, and as said, if we get rejected here, this means the price will go really down to $2.09. Simple as that, because we're still downtrending. Look at this price. We downtrending since the 14th of July, and we never broke the trend. We downtrend. We still in downtrend, okay? The price momentum change is around the $3.10. So if we go rejected around the $2.85, it means it's downtrending even more. So there's a high probability that we explode from this triangle up to just meet with a lot of rejection here. So the perfect scenario, if we go even to $3.10 after this explosion will happen. And again, really important, if you want to protect yourself around the $2.48. This is the last support before we go to do $0.09. And here we're gonna see a lot of buying pressure. You can actually buy here. You can actually buy here around the $3.10. You have two perfect buying opportunity: $3.10, $2.09, or if you're already bought in like Luis, you have to wait a price to jump here to take your profit, and wait to get in here to be more sure, and here to cut your loss. Simple as that. Glad that you understand. I'm trying, guys, to tell you the more explaining way to trade, because if you told you around the $4, $3, you never actually learn anything, you know. $0.01. This is really tricky question to ask me, you know. You know how many stock that I review daily? This is crazy, like over 100 stock. So I don't know about this question. This is like asking like in physics about what's the question, like in the like about photon. Is there like they're actually where their position, you know, is all about probability. You can actually predict where the photon are. Is like we, or the electron, we just have a probability if the electron will be here or there, you know. So it's the same question when you ask me about my favorite stock. Is like I can't point. I just give you a probability about one stock, like 30% of this stock or 50% of this stock. I like, my head is always about numbers, and I don't have favorite, you know. And again, the moment that you have favorite stock, it means you trigger your emotional part. and this is done deal for you. Don't love any stock, just act as a percentage. Today I love like EXLA because have a good setup. I will love EXLA, but tomorrow I will love another stock because have a perfect setup for me. So I'm like adjusting. It's like have many girlfriends, you know. You have more options. I would like the girlfriend who cook for me and do all the things, you know. So if she don't want to cook for me, I will look for another girl who will cook for me. Good question, Kelly. Yes, this is crazy because curly hair here in Europe is in high demand, you know, because they have straight hair. They like curly hair. I don't know, like with the human psychology, usually like want the things they don't have. Like here in Europe, all of them there are white, so they try to be black or tan, you know. But in Arabic countries, they're actually not white, so they try to be white. This is crazy, you know. Yeah, you're a good guy. She's like you're a lucky guy. Usually, girls will tell you just I don't know, like ordered food from Uber or something. BTBT is exploding. Nicole Harris, really, Jesus? About what? What's your question? BTBT. Wow, really exploding after hours, right? But kind of we testing a bit of rejection around the $10, guys. Okay, for this one exploding but not exploding is just a test. Here the explosion, if we close above the $10.50, we gonna see a genuine explosion for this one. At least we're gonna see the $18 before the 20. You have to take your profit for this one. And thanks for bringing this up for us, because this one really looking interesting. BTBT, I will put it in my watch list. This one is perfect bumping. And we're gonna no, Nicole. Even one, I can't handle even one. Uh, it's too much stress, you know. I'm already married to stock market, you know. Stock market is like just a woman. You need to have more time and effort, and you have to care more for the stock than you care for the girls, or because if you have another attention, your attention on other girls, you're screwed. You can actually make a trade, because trade, if you mix it with emotional and you have a lot of stress in your daily life, you can't trade. Oh, SOS as well is moving. Yes, is moving as well as pre-market is up. Yes, crazy. Yes, Summer. If above 10, closing candle above the 10 will be perfect scenario and explosion. And if we hold above the 10, will be perfect. BT is looking good if we broke the 10, okay? And for marine, I already covered marine, and you ask Nicole if it's bad. I forget what we talked about marine, what we already talked about. Yeah, for marine, we already get rejected right now. As we said, guys, the resistance around the $8.67, we don't hold it above. So, as I said, Nicole, the get out, if you saw the price go below the $7.30, run away, because this will have a massive sell-off until the $5.31. If we hold above this level, around above the $7.30, there is a big chance that we're gonna test again the $8 and we see a massive buying pressure again to overcome the resistance, and we go even until the $11.90, and here take your profit around the $11.90. And earning was just released at 5 p.m. Okay. Louise, yes, I covered BT. Hopefully you don't have any question about it. All minor stocks are moving. Okay, thank you, Kellen, for bringing this up. Actually, this is really interesting. Okay, Kellen. Okay, this is. You promise me, is this the last question? Okay, this one. Okay, this one I don't like, you know. This one I don't like because it's still doing like spikes at the same time, higher lows, and we doing a new bottoms. Even though we see a volume actually picking up right now, is loading up, there's a might chance we're gonna see another spike, okay? Until this one, there's another spike around, let's say, the $5 or the $4.96, because we can see volume actually popping up. However, is a bit risky play for this one because the volume is dropping around the 1 million right now, and yes, is a bit risky because right now after this jump, this kind of play, after we have this kind of like IBOs, then jump here, we need a bit of volume here to drop, then we spike, then we're gonna see lower lows again. So this will be a turning point around the $4.96. As we hold here, we consolidate here, I will tell you there's a price will go again around the $10. If we not, we're gonna see a rejection here, we're gonna see a lower low for this one. So be careful from this one. This kind of stock have a different strategy. You depend on the news, you be waiting, you load in on the lower price, then take your profit and the spike. Be quick. GZ, try to find a girl that knows how to cook. Okay, for this one, I already solved the problem and I learned how to cook by myself, so I don't need a girl. You know what? The best thing is to depend on yourself. Know how to cook, know to how to clean, know to how to trade, know to how to do anything by yourself, you know? Don't depend on anybody. This is the best thing you ever do, you know? Never depend on anybody, because if you want to love someone, it should be actually given, not taken. So love is about given, guys, not about taking. Even like I don't know, like about job or everything. If you want to be fulfilled in life, you have to give, not to take, and everything will come back like 10 times fold, you know. Okay, guys, I gotta go. So hopefully it was answered all your questions. And again, guys, if you have any question, or you want a pre-market update for your favorite stock, or a caution one-on-one, or meetup, doing meeting like Zoom with me, check the Patreon link here in the comment section in the top and join the tribe, guys, and let's hunt for the price value as I show you guys, and always show you here at my channel. Hallelujah, hallelujah, bro. Happy weekend, guys. Happy weekend, and be prepared for the Monday, and I will do a video, educational video, hopefully for you guys, for Patreon educational video. I'll prepare it for you guys for tomorrow, and again, be patient and hunt for exact price value, and never run after the price. Let the price come to you. See you guys in the next video, and live streaming always at 9 p.m. guys, as I promise you. So stay tuned. If you come late in this live streaming, just stay tuned at 9 p.m. Paris time, and join us join to the tribe, Patreon tribe, in the comment section below.